So let's look at another example where we're sketching a vector field. So let's sketch some vectors in the vector field. F of xy will be 2xi plus yj. So again, we want to look at vectors that have the same magnitude. So I'm just going to label magnitude being c. So what's the magnitude of f going to be? It's the square root of 2x squared plus y squared. And if you square both sides, you'll get 4x squared plus y squared equals c squared. So if I look at this equation, this is the equation of an ellipse in general, once you pick a value of c. So the vectors of equal magnitude lie on ellipses. So in the last example they were circles, but here they're going to be ellipses. So let's pick a value of c. Let's go with c being 1. If c is 1, then my equation is 4x squared plus y squared equals 1. So then if I write this in like standard form for an ellipse, this would be 1/2 squared. So on x, I go out a distance from the origin of 1/2. And on y, I go out a distance of 1. So the ellipse that I'm getting looks something like this. And so you want to pick points on this ellipse. So let's pick some points. F of, let's go with 1/2 0. I'll get the vector I. Remember, you should be getting vectors of length 1. So here at 1/2 0, I'm getting a vector of length 1 here. So that vector would look like that. Then plug in another point, 0, 1. So pick this point up here, plug it in, you'll get the vector j. So going vertically up, a length of 1. I should make it a little bit longer. There we go. If I plug in, let's do 2 more points. Negative 1/2 0, you'll get negative I. And then if you plug in 0, negative 1, you get negative j. So here I have vectors going out. If you pick a point that's not one of these points, you'll see that you get something going outward like that of length 1. And then you want to repeat this for a different c value. So if you take c equals 2, you'll get x squared plus y squared over 4 equals 1. So now my ellipse goes out a distance of 1 on x and a distance of 2 on y. So you can take some points on here if you want and draw the vectors that you get at those points.